tonight. We're walking in the winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the bluebird, who sings a love song as we go along. We're walking in the winter wonderland. But in the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. And he'll say, are you married? We'll say no, man, 'cause you can do the job while you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire, to face unafraid the plans that we made. We're walking in a winter wonderland. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. We're walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird, who sings a love song as we go along. We're walking in a winter wonderland. But in the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. And he'll say, are you married? We'll say no, man, 'cause you can do the job while you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire, to face unafraid the plans that we made. We're walking in a winter wonderland. We're walking in a winter wonderland. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. She didn't see me creep downstairs to have a peek. She thought that I was tucked up in my bedroom fast asleep. And I saw Mommy tickle Santa Claus underneath his beard so snowy white. What a laugh it would have been if Daddy had only seen Mommy kissing Santa Claus last night. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. She didn't see me creep downstairs to have a peek. She thought that I was tucked up in my bedroom fast asleep. And I saw Mommy tickle Santa Claus underneath his beard so snowy white. What a laugh it would have been if Daddy had only seen Mommy kissing Santa Claus last night. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas, only a hippopotamus will do. I don't want a doll, no dinky-dinky toy. I want a hippopotamus to play with and enjoy. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. I don't think Santa Claus will mind you. He won't have to use no dirty chimney. He's bringing to the front, and that's the easy thing to do. I can see me now on Christmas morning, peeping down the stairs on the door at the time. When I open up my eyes, I see hippo hero standing there. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas, only a hippopotamus will do. No crocodiles, no rhinoceroses, I only like hippopotamuses, and hippopotamuses like me too. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas, only a hippopotamus will do. I don't want a doll, no dinky-dinky toy. I want a hippopotamus to play with and enjoy. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. I don't think Santa Claus will mind you. He won't have to use no dirty chimney food. Just bring him to the front, and that's the easy I can see you now on Christmas morning. Creeping down the stairs. What a joy and surprise when I open up my eyes and see a hippo hero standing there. I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do. No crocodiles, no rhinoceroses. I only like hippopotamuses, and hippopotamuses like me too. I love those Jingle bells, those holiday Jingle bells, those Christmas Jingle bells, Jingle bells. So we're dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, and they're making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. So we're dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, kanni kanni bele, kanni ma o ma'ale. Le'a le'a ma ko ika hola na iki ka'auli o o'ahi. Kanni bele, kanni ma o ma'ale. Le'a le'a ma ko ika hola na iki ka'auli o o'ahi. Le'a le'a ma ko ika hola na iki ka'auli o o'ahi. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it was. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never would call him on, joining any reindeer. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, your nose so right, won't you ride my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with me. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, who'll go down in history. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, like a light bulb. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it was like a light bulb. All of the other reindeer, they used to laugh and call him names. Big over like poor Rudolph, joining any reindeer gang. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you ride my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, and you go down in history. You go down in
Oh, mahalo for allowing myself and Ekolu to stretch our legs for this short little brief Christmas song singing. Grant could sing like all night long for multiple days for Christmas.
Yeah, I
wouldn't know about
I
two
tend to
songs.
take more gigs during Christmas time only so we can sing these Christmas songs in the short span that these
my friends will let me.
Yeah, I only know about like 2 songs. 2 Christmas songs.
Grant also does a Christmas telegram. So if you want a song sent to a loved one, surprise them at their workplace, Grant can do that.
I can also do it. It doesn't have to be Christmas time. It can be any time of the year, but we can still send a singing Christmas telegram anytime you want.